The International Court of Justice just delivered a huge blow to the state of Israel as they find sufficient basis behind South Africa genocide charges against them. First off, South Africa deserves massive praise for their huge legal victory over the state of Israel. The lawyers representing South Africa will be remembered as civil rights icons and people who champion international law. These South African lawyers fully exposed the war crimes of Israel. And the ICJ has found that Israel committed war crimes. Now the entire world sees the depravity of the state of Israel. The problem is, Israel doesn't care. We even have Israeli officials on Twitter that are mocking the ICJ and The Hague, which leads to the fundamental problem of this ruling. It doesn't call for a ceasefire. The ICJ essentially told Israel to police themselves and follow the rules of an international court that they absolutely do not respect. We are already seeing Israeli officials call the ICJ anti-Semitic and call for the government to ignore the rulings, which they definitely will. In fact, Benjamin Netanyahu immediately came out and said that this ruling will not impact their military campaign at all.
Israel's commitment to international law is unwavering. Equally unwavering is our sacred commitment to continue to defend our country and defend our people.
This ruling may provide a pathway towards a long-term victory over the state of Israel, but it does not alleviate the suffering of the people Israel are currently tormenting right now. This is why you have South Africa criticize the court for not coming out in support of a ceasefire. We are already seeing Western corporate media outlets, they are spinning the ICJ ruling as a rejection of a ceasefire. Also, the ICJ demanding a ceasefire would have forced Genocide Joe Biden to show his hand and force a veto at the UN Security Council. So we had some missed opportunities here. But this was still a giant win and strikes the fear into Israel and the West that they are not above the law. We just got to find a way to enforce it.